Hello student, welcome to my channel. This is Vasant Naik from Canara Engineering College. Today we will solve the problem related to 8:1 mux design. The problem statement is it's given function of 4 variable PQRS is equal to min terms are given. So you need to solve the expression or function and you have to implement the final expression by using 8:1 mux. When you see this one, this is a 4 variable. When you see this problem statement, this is a 4 variable expression. 4 variable contains normally 16 min terms that you can make out here. The problem statement contains maximum min term is 15. So 4 variable contains min terms around 16 min terms. Now you have to solve this expression, I mean function, and whatever resulting expression you have to implement this one by using 8:1 mux. When you see about 8:1 mux, 8:1 mux contains 8 input. That means 8 input, and you have to solve the 4 variable expression and you have to reduce it to 3 variable by means of EVM technique. Such a type of technique you will see in this diagram here. Here either you can refer this one or this one also. Let me explain the same thing here. What is represented here in this table format. I have written a table here. I have drawn a table here. It is not exactly to our K map, but I want to represent all the min terms of 4 variable K map. You know, in 4 variable K map we can represent 16 min terms 0 to 15. Same thing I am going to represent that one in this table format here. For example, I will take one variable vertically and rest of the 3 variables horizontally on the top side, and you see when you multiply 0 and this one, then this becomes min term 0. This becomes min term 0 representation. This becomes min term 1 representation. This becomes min term 2 representation. This becomes min term 3 representation. Min term 4 representation. Min term 5 representation. Min term 6 representation. Min term 7. Next 1 0 0 1 0 0. Initially it is 0 0 0. Now 1 0 0 it is min term 8, min term 9, min term 10, min term 11, min term 12, min term 13, min term 14, min term 15. For your kind information, dear students, this is not K map representation. I am representing 4 variable function min terms 0 to 15 in a table format like this. Now look at the function. It is mentioned that min term 0 is there. So when min term 0 is there, you put there mark 1 or you mark it as a 1. You put there mark it as a 1. Similarly, we have min term 1 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there, and 15 is there. Rest of the place we will put min term 0. Rest of the place we will put 0. Rest of the place it is 0. Now by seeing this table, now you have to write the output, or we can say it is a type of EVM, entered variable map type. You have to write the output here y. What is the output y? See here, when both are 1, then output is 1. When both are 1, output is 1. When both are 0, output is 0. So let me write that one. Output is 0, output is 0. But here this term is 1. That means P bar. P bar is highlighted. P bar. Here also it is P bar highlighted. This term is 1. That means P bar. and here it is this term is 1, that means P. So this is the output, and this output I will mark as D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. You know why I have marked it as a D0, D1, D2, D3? Because when you represent any multiplexer diagram, you normally represent input as D, D0, D1, D2, D3. So I will treat these things are as input to that multiplexer. This is P, this is also P. Now I will take 8:1 multiplexer D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, and control lines are actually S0, S1, S2. In my case it is actually Q, R and S, Q, R and S. And one more input is P. One more input is P. Here it is given A. So better to use the same variable P. Now we will represent D0 is 1. D1 is 1. So you consider all those terms which are 1. So here only 2 terms are 1. So what I will do? I will connect D0 and D1 to 1 high or VCC. Then D2. So then D2, then D5, D6 are 0. So let me connect D2, D5, D6 to ground. This is ground. Now other than that we have D3 is equal to P bar and D7 is P. I will take P here. If the same signal, if I take it to D7, it is P. And if the same signal if I take through a inverter, then it becomes a P bar. So D3 and D4 is nothing but P bar. D3 and D4 is nothing but P bar. So now output is Y. So this is the design of 8:1 mux if the expression is a 4 variable. Because when the expression is 4 variable, then there are 16 minterms are there. But 8:1 mux, we have 8 input. That means you have to simplify this one by means of either EVM technique, or this is also one more technique. You can refer this method and you can solve it. EVM technique anyway we have discussed in our earlier video session. If you want to solve this problem by using EVM technique, refer my earlier video. Otherwise you can use the same technique. If both places are 1, output is 1. If both places are 0, output is 0. Otherwise corresponding variable you have to mark in the output. And this acts like a data input for the multiplexer.